Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone 16 is unlocked and awake so controls respond. Once done, check the AirPlay target is nearby and on the same Wi-Fi or discoverable via Bluetooth. That's why discovery matters. Now swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. This is the first actionable step. You're starting the process immediately, so keep your phone steady and look for the screen mirroring tile. It appears as two overlapping rectangles. Now, locate and tap the screen mirroring tile. This reveals any connected devices and available AirPlay targets. You'll see the current target labeled with a check mark. Note that name so you confirm the right connection. If multiple devices appear, tap a different device to switch. But because you want to stop mirroring, tap the currently selected device to bring up the disconnect option. It's a deliberate step. Tapping the active target triggers the system to present the stop control, so you can end mirroring. To finish, tap Stop Mirroring on the device card. You'll see the screen return to your iPhone, confirming disconnection. Make sure to watch the tile change state, because that visual feedback proves it worked. If the tile still shows active, reopen Control Center or toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to refresh discovery. This forces the session to drop. As a key troubleshooting tip, force close the app doing the mirroring or restart your iPhone 16. That resolves most persistent sessions and clears stuck AirPlay connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.